Welcome to the Southwest Report, a monthly newscast highlighting happenings across the district. I'm Janice Hernandez. Nearly 1,000 8th grade students attended the district's 4th annual Career and College Day at the University of the Incarnate Word. SWISD TV's JJ Tejeda was at UIW and has more on this event.
Hey everyone, JJ Tejeda here at the University of Incarnate Word for Southwest ISD's College and Career Exploration, where every 8th grade student in the district gets to come and check out different pathways and programs to see what they're going to take in high school and college. Let's go take a look. Students spent their day visiting the different presenters and organizations set up all over campus to better understand their options moving forward in their high school pathways.
The purpose of this program is to have the 8th graders get a taste of the endorsements that they have to choose for their high school career.
Endorsements included arts and humanities, STEM, business and industry, as well as public services.
I was going through classes. They were talking about how I could have a better career if I do like dual credit classes, and they were just telling me about college. I'm excited for the dual credit classes so my parents don't have to pay as much as they're going to have to.
Some of the pathways included were advanced manufacturing, informational tech, construction, fine arts, and cosmetology. Well, that's going to do it for us here at the University of Incarnate Word. For Red the Cardinal, I'm JJ Tejeda, SWISD TV.
The Bexar County Sheriffs Office awards district staff and Crewald Elementary School with a certificate of recognition. In a special ceremony, the district, along with Bexar County Sheriff's Office deputies and first responders, were recognized for their efforts during a standoff situation that took place on Thursday, October 4th.
Everybody stepped up and did what they were supposed to do. Specifically, Crewald Elementary, Ms. Hidalgo and her staff, they went above and beyond to make sure the first responders were taken care of.
Superintendent of Schools Dr. Lloyd Verstuff, Chief of Police Richard Palomo, and Crewald Elementary Principal Rosie Hidalgo accepted the award on behalf of the many district and campus employees that helped. McCullough Middle School teacher Philip Salcido receives the Kent's 5 Credit Human Excel Award.
Please help me welcome Mr. Philip Salcido.
Salcido was surprised with a pep rally led by student performances and special words from students, his parents, and McCullough staff. Salcido was then presented with a $1,000 check.
There was a huge pep rally in my honor. It was a complete surprise, and I appreciate that the teachers did that for me. I received the Excel Award today, and I dedicated it to my school because without my campus, my teachers, and my kids, I wouldn't have been able to even receive the award in the first place.
Salcido has been a teacher at McCullough since 2013 and is a response to intervention coach and dyslexia interventionist. During National School Bus Safety Week, state troopers and game wardens teamed up to patrol the district's bus routes. Officials escorted our school buses to ensure motorists were following safety laws and not passing school buses.
It's bringing an awareness to the community about safety when you see those buses out in the community, in the streets. Make sure that you're following all the rules. Don't be passing the buses when they have those stop signs out. Please stop. And bringing that awareness, it could only benefit our kids.
They also patrolled school bus routes to observe motorists in pickup and drop-off areas. Southwest ISD welcomes 3 new officers to the district. On Tuesday, October 16th, an official Southwest ISD Police Department swearing-in and pinning ceremony was held at the district boardroom to welcome the following new officers: Miguel Espino, Nydia Leandro, and Richard Lubeno to the SWISD family.
I'm a U.S. Army veteran. I served my country. Now I get the opportunity to serve my community and our surrounding school district.
I get to protect the kids. I get to protect the buildings, make sure that everything's safe for them. And it's also a great way to help out the community.
I feel grateful to have an opportunity to be able to interact with the kids and kind of mentor them and show them, that we're there to help them and just help everybody all together and all around.
The event was attended by the officers' families, district officials, and staff. Thank you for watching the Southwest Report on SWISD TV. For more stories, videos, and other green screen productions, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. We are Southwest.